Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you a project, and sorry about this weird screen mirroring. I know you've seen that in the previous video, and let's continue. So first we're going to Scratch. Okay, let's start this project. Project by myself. I remixed it from another project. You have to go quickly everywhere. Scratch project. It didn't take me that hard to make because I copied it. Follow a tutorial from GriffPatch. To see this tutorial, just search GriffPatch. Or check in the description and then copy the code, then put it where it says here. Edu projects, and then that weird code /full screen, put it there, but don't type that because if you type it, it will say, whoops, our server is scratching its head. Because I haven't shared this project. If people ask me why I can't, it's because I haven't configured my email address. Oh, we're nearly back in the start. Back in the start now. I think this is the end of today's video. You can like it if you like it. You understand, you can like it if you like it. Okay, bye-bye.